An application developer is validating a rule project in Rule Designer and needs to create a new DVS Excel file run configuration. Instead of testing all of the rules, the new run configuration must also specify a subset of the rules to test. Which setting in the run configuration must the application developer apply? Option A. On the Rules tab, specify the rules to test. Option B. On the Excel file tab, specify the rules to test. Option C. On the Excel file tab, click Browse next to Rule Project and specify the rules to test. Option D. On the Extraction tab, select to use an extractor which specifies the rules to test. The correct answer is option D. An application developer is in charge of synchronizing changes in a rule project between Decision Center and the Source Code Control (SCC) tool used for development, which? Option A. Resources and Templates folders. Option B. Resources folder and Sync Entries file. Option C. Output folder and Sync Entries file. Option D. Output, Templates and Queries folders. The correct answer is option C. The following user groups are in the Decision Center. Authors can create rules and set the status to defined after authoring is complete. Testers can only view rules in defined status and change status to validated after testing is complete. Deployers can only view rules in validated status and change status to deployed. Administrators have all permissions. What mechanism can the application developer use to implement the above governance policy? Option A. Implement a rule session interceptor in Decision Center. Option B. Use the built-in Decision Center permission management. Option C. Set up the user group permissions in Decision Center. Option D. Set up the user group permissions and implement a session controller in Decision Center. The correct answer is option D. An application developer is required to implement the following business policy represented by this pseudocode, which has a set of non-symmetrical rules. Image what rule artifacts should the application developer author? Option A. A decision tree with multiple branches. Option B. A decision table with a precondition, 3 condition columns, and multiple action columns. Option C. A decision table without preconditions, 4 condition columns, and multiple action columns. Option D. 2 business action language rules using the else statement in both. The correct answer is option A.